Hello all, this video shows you how to delete the minimum element from a binomial heap. Okay, so deleting involves um, two operations. One is finding the minimum and second is union and merge. Okay, so this algorithm would be assuming that you have found the minimum element and the task is only to take the minimum element out. And before watching this video, please do watch the pseudocode for finding the minimum element and also the video that describes how this union and merge operation is going to be performed, and then come and watch this video. So this is an example heap where you have a B0, B1, then B3 and B4. I have found that this is going to be the minimum element, hence this node is to be deleted. So after deletion, I have an original heap with all these root element having this and this one, and I have another heap which having these root element. So now my task is combine this h with this h dash. So when you combine that, you will be able to get the newer heap without this x. So this is what the strategy that we are going to follow. See, this is the original x, and after removing I have a new h dash. I need to combine both of them. So I have to combine. So how do I combine? This is an example of how do I combine. Suppose I want to delete this 8. Okay, so original heap contain 1, 2 and 4. Now after this 8 is going to be, this node is deleted, I have a new heap of h dash here, right? 12, 10 and 9. So what should I do? I have to first put the merge operation. So merge operation, your B0 will be moving here, so 9. Then your B1 will be moving here, 10. And your B2 will be moving here, so 12. Oops. Okay, fine. So these nodes are getting attached to the main root list. Okay, now it's time to make the union operation. So these two values are of degree, same degree, and this is different degree. So x, next x, next x. These two are same degree. So I am going to combine these two with a minimum value up. Now I have 3 continuous binomial trees of same degree. So I have to find the last 2. This is what the algorithm that we have seen on that day. When you have 3 continuous, this is x, next x and next x, please move ahead. So this is x and next x, you have to combine. So when you want to combine, you will be combining 10 and 11 here. Okay, so this will be taken out. So now if you see, I have, this is B1, this is B2, this is also B2 and this is also B2. So I have 3 continuous trees which are of same degree. So what should I do? As per the case 3, I have to combine the last 2. So last 2, this is 4, this is 12. So this binomial tree will be becoming the child of this one. Okay, so 4, under 4 you will be having 12, 14, 15 and 13, right? So now you have a B1, B2 and a B3, right? So this is going to be the result. So please do watch these videos carefully and try doing these exercises. This exercise is going to be the agenda for discussion on the Wednesday's class. Okay, so first exercise is based on the binary representation of numbers 87 and 120, and try looking into the video. Okay, and creating two heaps with the given numbers. So try inserting and formulate these heaps and combine both the heaps, and in the combined heap try deleting 2 two minimum elements, and try doing this D operation, that is decrease the value of 89 so that it reaches the root. So we have already talked about decreasing the key in the previous binary heap class. So hence you can make this, you can find how 89 reaches to the root. So with the answers for these questions, please come to the class on coming Wednesday, that is on November 4. So thank you for watching. Please reach out to me for any sort of clarifications. Thank you.